In order to promote the offer with the Appsflyer link, you must have an ad network account with Appsflyer. Then you will be able to record the real-time conversions in Offer18. In this video, we'll cover how to sign up with Appsflyer and save your parameters for attribution URL, Postback in the Appsflyer partner dashboard. Moreover, you will learn how you can extract the application attribution click URL. Lastly, we'll show you how to check the setup before taking your campaign live. Start by heading to the Tools section, from the side navigation bar of the Offer18 dashboard, then to the Integration. Here under Appsflyer, you can read our knowledge base or directly click on a setup, where you'll get the required information about the setup. To sign up with Appsflyer, open the registration page by clicking on this. After that, click on Sign Up for Free. Here are two options are available. One is agency and another partner account. If you want to track reports from the Appsflyer account to Offer18, then you need to sign up as a partner account. Because in the agency account, you'll not get the provision to save Postback. To register as a partner, first click here. Then if you are already registered with Appsflyer as a partner, you simply need to click Yes and contact them. If you want to sign up for a new account, then click on No. The Appsflyer team will ask you to arrange an invite link from an existing Appsflyer customer via their platform. So you must request your advertiser to share a referral link. As soon as you obtain the link, click on that link and fill out the simple form by entering your company details, including the type of your business, which is ad network or affiliate network, company name, email address, etc. Once you've finished the sign-up process, you will get a partner account, which will look like this. Here you'll be required to set up attribution link tokens and postback parameters in the Appsflyer placeholder. To add these details, click on Postback Management. You must add click macros here against the Appsflyer parameters. For example, for site ID, adding an affiliate ID macro is mandatory. You can also add additional macros against Appsflyer parameters as needed. Make sure you are clicking on these checkboxes after adding macros. Once you add these parameters, your attribution link will look like this, wherein you can see the app ID that you want to promote and PID value, which represents your company name. You will also see other parameters and macros that we have implemented above. To start, make sure that all of the parameters have been implemented correctly. Next, click Save button. Now, in the next step, you need to set up your default as well as advanced privacy postback. Initially, you should set the default by clicking on this. If you are configuring it for the first time, then you must enable these buttons. Copy your S2S postback DLP from Offer18 and save it here. Next, save the in-app postback URL here as well, which will remain the same. After that, you need to set up postback parameters for install and in-app event postback simultaneously. The only thing you need to do is click on these checkboxes to distinguish which parameter you want to receive in the install postback or in-app event. Also, add a MID value by clicking on Custom Parameters. The value of MID can be checked on the Offer18 dashboard. Upon clicking the Save button, you will be prompted by a pop-up to choose whether to activate your integration or not. Your default postback will be configured as soon as you choose Yes. Then you must add your advanced privacy postback, which will be used to track your conversions for iOS versions above 14.5. In order to do this, click on Advanced Privacy, then copy your postback from the Offer18 dashboard DLP and save it in the install, as well as the in-app event postback. Add postback parameters after that, where you have to fill a name next to the site ID and other data like a timestamp. In the privacy postback, affiliate and offer ID parameters are mandatory. Further, you have to pick the time format of a timestamp, which should be Unix. Additionally, confirm whether or not the relevant checkboxes are marked. After that, add custom parameters, where MID we have already explained, and add privacy postback parameter value must be 1, An advanced privacy postback template is displayed here. Then click Save, and your advanced privacy postback will be configured. SKAN postbacks should be configured here if you have them. Otherwise, you can skip them. Installing a test application is the next stage in the process of checking your integration. To do this, click on My App. You'll then see a list of applications that have been made available by your advertiser. If you are setting it up for the first time, then you will see only a test application, which will be different for Android and iOS. Just test both platforms one by one. By clicking on the Android test app, you can immediately extract the attribution link. Subsequently, click a configuration sub-option that is an integrated partner. After clicking on this, the network name will appear. By clicking on the name, you'll see the interface like this, where you need to activate a partner for an install, then an app event, and configure the required events such as login, registration, etc. Then save this step and move on to the attribution link. After that, copy the click attribution link and create an offer with it in the Offer18 dashboard and assign the same events in the offer. Afterwards, extract the test link by heading to the offer list. Then click on Options and grab a test link. Through this link, install a test application on your real Android device. Later on, open the application and you will see the list of events. To test events postback, you need to click one by one on the name of that particular event. The moment you receive the postback successfully at your end, you are good to ask your advertiser to enable application that they want to promote and run your campaign. You must follow the same steps to test postback for iOS by accessing your Appsflyer partner account and obtaining the iOS desktop attribution link. To extract the postback logs from your Appsflyer account, you need to go to Report.export under the Report section. Then click on the new report and select the report type. After that, click on the event for which you want to get the postback logs. Later on, select the date range and report size, then click on Create. Your report request will be submitted, and it will be reflected here. Once it becomes ready to download, and you can check the fired postback logs.